Good morning, students. This is first chapter of civics power sharing. Power sharing means sharing of responsibilities and power among different organs and levels of government. Power sharing is a strategy for resolving dispute over exercising of powers. In this chapter is a strategy In this chapter, we discuss about two countries, Belgium and Sri Lanka. Ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. Ethnic means connected with particular race or religion. Sri Lanka has various communities. So, Sinhala speaking accounts for 74% of the total population. The other community is Tamil speaking, which has two subgroups. One is the Sri Lankan Tamils, which account for 13%. They are the natives of Sri Lanka. The Indian Tamils accounts for 5%. They are of Indian origin. About 7% of the population is Christians, both Tamils and Sinhalese. Rest 1% are Muslim. Three demands of Sri Lankan Tamils: recognition of Tamil as an official language. Second is regional autonomy. Third is equality of opportunity in securing education and jobs. In order to protest for their demand, they started a political struggle in the way of conflict with the government. By 19th century, several political organizations were formed demanding an independent Tamil Alam state in northern and eastern part of Sri Lanka. The distrust between the two communities turned into widespread conflict, which soon turned into a civil war. As a result, thousands of peoples of both communities were killed, causing a terrible setback to the social, cultural, and economic life of the country. Power sharing in Sri Lanka. After independence in 1948, the democratically elected Sri Lankan government adopted a series of majoritism measures to establish Sinhalese supremacy by passing an act in 1956. Sinhalese was recognized as the only official language in Sri Lanka. Tamil language was not given due importance. The Sri Lankan government formulated a policy in which only Sinhala applicants were preferred for position in university and government jobs. The new constitution of Sri Lanka declared the Buddhism would be promoted by the state. Now, this way to power sharing in Sri Lanka. Another example of Belgium. Ethnic composition of Belgium. Belgium is a small country in Europe, having a population of little over 1 crore. The ethnic composition of Belgium is very complex because of various language speaking people. Like of the country's total population, 59% lives in Flemish region and speaks Dutch language. Another 40% lives in the Wallonia region and speaks French. Remaining 1% of the Belgians speaks German. Besides, in the capital city of Brussels, 80% people speaks French, while 20% are Dutch speaking. The led to tension between the Dutch speaking and French speaking communities. The issues of majoritism and financial preference led to the tension between the Dutch and French speaking communities in Belgium during 1950 century and 1960 century. At the capital city of Brussels, the French speaking community was relatively rich and powerful and used to get the economic and educational benefit. This was resented the Dutch speaking community. which led to the tension between the two communities of Brussels. Now, power sharing in Belgium. After the four amendments in the constitution, the Belgian leaders worked out a very different and innovative power sharing arrangement known as Belgium model. The elements of Belgium governments are: first, equal distribution of seats. According to the new arrangement, Dutch and French speaking ministers have been given equal status in the central government. Second, concept of federal. Besides, state government for the two reasons have been given maximum powers, and the state governments are not treated as the subordinate to the central government. Third, equal representation in the Brussels. In the new arrangement, Brussels, the capital city of Belgium, has given equal representation to both the French and Dutch speaking people. Fourth, community government. The Belgium model introduced a new concept of third kind of government, the community government. The government is elected by the people belonging to one language community. The principle of a good democracy, that power a government must not waste in one person or a group of persons. That power are the sources of all political powers. India is a democratic country. Now thank you. This is the first part. We will continue complete chapter in second